Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey and transform your life? Today, we'll share some valuable tips and strategies to help you get started on your path to a healthier, happier you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Focus on nutrition. Start by cleaning up your diet and incorporating more whole, nutrient-rich foods. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Get creative in the kitchen and explore new recipes that are both nutritious and delicious. Portion control is key. Be mindful of your serving sizes and aim for balanced meals. Incorporate colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into each plate. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help curb cravings and keep you feeling energized. Step 2. Move your body. Find physical activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. Whether it's jogging, dancing, cycling, or swimming, regular exercise is essential for weight loss. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase your intensity and duration. Remember, every step counts. Step 3. Track your progress. Keep a record of your journey to stay motivated. Take measurements, track your weight, and document your achievements. Celebrate your milestones along the way. And don't be discouraged by temporary setbacks. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Lastly, prioritize self-care. Weight loss is not just about physical changes, it's about nurturing your mind and spirit too. Practice mindfulness, manage stress, and get enough restful sleep. Take time for activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about finding balance in all aspects of your life. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the tools to kickstart your weight loss journey. It won't always be easy, but with determination and consistency, you'll reach your goals. Remember, the most important thing is to embrace the process and love yourself every step of the way. So, let's start this incredible journey together. You've got this.